Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for KASPA price prediction based on the Elliott wave analysis, starting on the daily chart with the bullish scenario where we have 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 5 finishing a wave 1. In this wave 1 you have of course finished as well wave 2 after it, and looking here for higher impulse as a wave 3. After this wave 3, now you are looking for 3 corrective waves toward the downside as a wave 4. Now we got of course WXY currently, which is still can be in ABC. We're gonna see this later on. However, these 3 corrective waves are not enough of course for a correction, and that because a wave 4 in an impulse where you are in 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 5, your wave 4 has to reach at least minimum target 0.23 fib level between the 0.039 and of course 0.014. However, this is as you can see, the blue box still need of course one more low or another second wave to move toward the downside to hit of course this area and trigger a wave 5 toward the upside, possibly force this impulse in case we are impulsive. However, it is very low possibility because the target here for your wave 4 has reached less than 1 to 1 fib level, and of course in an impulse you would like to reach at least the 1.618 and the 1.27, which are much higher of course than this signal here or this fib level. Now in your bearish scenario of course we have finished A, B and a C, and those impulses correction in between we have finished a wave A in the magenta, your magenta wave A, meaning a deeper wave 3. And because this wave A is 3 waves up, therefore you're looking for regular flat here as 3 waves down. Your 3 waves down might reach even less than 0.5 level. The most common normally is 0.618 for a wave B in a regular flat, and sometimes it can even hit the 886 very normally, and then moving toward the upside for a wave C. So basically, you have to be careful with KASPA. There is a lot of bearish sentiment into it because the fib levels here doesn't give a possibility, higher possibility for the bullish in a impulse toward the upside 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and also that we have 3 waves up, and we probably of course moving in a regular flat, which of course it might bring us a very low. So we have to be careful so much with it. Of course now we have those 3 waves towards the downside, probably finished in WXY, probably not finished yet. So we're gonna see of course what's gonna happen inside it. So if we zoom in on that wave, you can see we have an A, a B and a C finished for W, and you have of course another zigzag here as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for your A, correction for your wave B, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 probably expanding flat here, expanding diagonal for a wave X, but it can be anything else. It can be even WXY inside this wave X. So we have now 1, 2, let's say, and then 3, 4. Did your wave 4 hit your zone 1? Probably yes. So you have here, of course, invalidation of this bearish. Invalidation of a bearish. Okay. So this price action has been given. It has been invalidated, of course, but don't forget, don't forget that you have 1, 2 here, 3, 4, and a 5. No, we cannot say invalidated yet. We cannot say invalidation. And that because, of course, you did not finish anyway your wave 3. And invalidation is this point actually, which is, let me check the price. Here we go, 0.11. This is your invalidation point. It's true that the price here took the wave 1, but don't get confused. You did not finish this impulse, not this one before. You are still now inside the wave 3 of this one too. So the wave 3 is not finished unless invalidation. The invalidation is of course this wave 1 zone, not this one, sorry. So of course we are looking for a wave 5 here, still probably toward the downside after an A, a B and a C obviously here, And then probably you would like to see an impulse toward the downside to finish this 1, 2, 3, and then 4 and a 5. So let us label here, and this is of course will help us much better to understand what's going on. 4 and a 5, and this is of course your minimum, yeah, the lowest count here for this impulse, and you are expecting as well a bigger wave 1 and 2 here to finish 3, 4, and a 5 exactly there. So this is your magenta, because this is your bearish scenario. Yeah, so let's put in the bearish and also a little bit bigger count. Here we go. With this one, you might finish a wave A, B, and a C. Yeah, so this is your wave A. This is your wave C here. It might be, and finishing your wave B. And I'm gonna put this as well in magenta, so we can see that this is very bearish. Okay, the bearish scenario. Yeah, so these are the scenarios. So I would say WXY here is not really yet a signal. I would say still this is an ABC here, unfinished wave A. And we need, of course, 4, 5, 4, and a 5 to finish this wave A and B, and a C, 3 waves up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, toward the downside. But this is also, don't forget that this might be your bullish scenario, of course, once it is done. So once we finish this, we are moving toward the upside probably. Yeah, if we finish this as correction, probably we move for higher exactly from this price action. Now, why we have also a possibility that we might be in a wave B, maybe even short, because your wave B even can take only the 0.23. That because, of course, the three corrective wave characteristic that we got directly from the top. After the top here, you got directly 3 corrective waves, meaning, yeah, much more possibility that you are corrective and you're still looking for higher. So as well, possibility is high, of course, for a wave C, but I mean, you don't know how much this corrective is gonna be deeper, and then moving toward the upside, probably getting the 0.38, which is much more common for a wave 2 as well, or wave 4. Yeah, at the same time, or a wave B. So I would say this zone or this level is common for most of the correction, 2, 4, and a wave B. That was it for KASPA. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.